Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 21st till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your energy, not your reading. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. And if you want to start your self-love journey, but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my self-love 30 days challenge course. It's super easy to understand and it will definitely help you to become the best version of yourself and raise your vibrations permanently so that you can effortlessly manifest your dream life. Ta-da! But definitely you have to work for that. It's not going to happen naturally. Okay, so let's start, honey. Cancer, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. I don't have clothes to change. Before you guys are going to say anything about my clothes. Yeah, everything is dirty. So I'm going to do my laundry in Mumbai after a day or two. Right now I'm at my parents' house and everything is messed up. Ta-da! I told you guys so many times. We have the Five of Swords. This is somebody who is very stressed out. It's like stressed out beyond words kind of energy. Okay, let's see what's happening. Why they're stressed out like this. Let's clarify the Five of Swords, honey. Five of Swords. We have the Three of Wands, the Judgment, and the Two of Cups. This person is feeling like they are trying their best to move on from the situation and forgive and forget about it, but they still carry a lot of love for you. And this is stressing the hell out of their energies because even if they're trying their best to move on from the situation from quite a long time now, it's not happening. They tried everything possible from their side in order to get the kind of closure or get the kind of energy of let's move on from this permanently, but they failed. And now they're stressed out because even if they are physically moving on from the situation, they're still stuck on you energetically and they feel it's very difficult for them to move on from the situation permanently. They still carry a lot of emotions for you. They still see you as one of their soulmates and they still feel your energies around them deeply. God. And they're stressed out because they're not able to let it go even if they want to. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? This, by the way, this person is hoping for a coming together, coming back together for the coming future. They are still not gone. For you, the Hermit card, you feel like you should just keep your mouth shut, keep your energies down, and use your wisdom and knowledge and experience to not to do anything stupid in your life anymore. In this direction, actually. Okay, let's clarify the Hermit. We have the Six of Cups and the Empress, the Eight of Swords. See, you definitely are dealing with a soul connection. For some of you, it's a past life connection. The moment you met this person, you felt like this person and you know each other from a very long time, maybe past lives. For others of you, you guys had a very beautiful history together. Okay, so you feel that this situation, even if it is gone, is still not gone. And you can't stop thinking about it. You can't stop overthinking about the situation, but you feel like you should just take your time in order to understand this dynamics with your wisdom and knowledge and experience instead of going all gaga over it and doing a stupid thing. Okay, okay, Cancer, got it. I can feel you. Let's see what this person wants from you. It's like from both the sides you guys are feeling the intensity of this connection, and from both the sides you guys are refusing to do anything about it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cancer? Seven of Cups. Their intention is to. Seven of Cups is the energy of letting go of emotional confusion, if it is in the intentions. But maybe they want to explore other things, other people, other situations, or distract themselves. Let's clarify. Let's see. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups here as their intentions. जिंदगी यूं गले आ लगी है कोई खोया हुआ बरसों के बाद आ गया. Okay, they want to find ways to heal the situation between you and them so that they can come forward towards you with the kind of happiness, with the kind of love, with the kind of emotions that's going to be good for both of you, for the betterment of this connection. So they want to try multiple approach, and they definitely want to get out of this energy of feeling disappointed all the time about the situation, and heal the situation between you and them so that they can come forward towards you with the correct kind of energy. This is a pretty good intention, very beautiful intention. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? अलगी है. You just want to keep yourself at a safe distance from this particular energy and watch them doing whatever they're doing. It's like basically you want to learn more and more about this energy, but from a distance. You don't want to give your time, energy, efforts to the situation right now. Let's clarify the Page of Swords. We have the Moon card, the King of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles. Cancer, you are playing it really very, very safe. But is it working out? You playing it safe, is it working out? You don't want to do anything in any kind of passion or attraction or this desire of, okay, let's do it because I'm so curious or something. You want to take it really very, very slow, so that either it's going to grow into something meaningful and or it's going to fade away naturally and organically. But you definitely want to play it safe from your side because you don't want to get hurt again, or you don't want to repeat the same cycle of pain and heartbreak again the way you did in the past. So there's no term playing it safe in love, actually, honey. Either you're completely in or you're completely out. In your case, you are in it, but you're out because you're playing it safe. Let's see what's coming towards you until the 27th of April, honey. King of Swords, some kind of truth is going to be revealed to you. Either it's going to be awakening from within yourself, and or it's going to be something revealed to you in a very brutal way. It's like, take it. You want it? Take it. Okay. Let's clarify the King of Swords here, honey. We have the Ace of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, the Three of Cups. Okay, a truth about a situation, a collaboration, partnership, where you are still healing from that situation is going to come out. I don't know what that truth is going to be. This is going to be a brutal, honest truth about a collaboration, partnership, about a coming together, coming back together. That is going to help you to see the truth of the situation, to see the reality of the situation in a very brutal and naked truth kind of a way. It's like this is the kind of truth that everybody deserves in order to get the clear picture of the situation, and finally it's here. Maybe you were not accepting it, maybe it was always there, maybe something was stopping you from seeing the truth, maybe something was not adding up. Now it's going to be everything like crystal clear in front of you. What are you going to do next about it? It's completely your choice and your decision. It's like the universe slapping you with the truth. Now it's your turn. God. For you, the guidance here is the Eight of Wands. Be brutally honest with yourself. We're not talking about anybody else here, Cancer. It's between you and you. Be very, very brutally honest with yourself. Exactly what you are looking forward to have, exactly what you want in your love and relationship area, especially from the specific person or specific energy, and exactly what you are like hiding from yourself or what you are keeping from yourself. When you are going to be brutally honest with yourself, with your own energies, then talk to the other person, other energy with this kind of brutal honesty, and then you will be able to figure out the best possible way, in the best possible energies, to reach to a conclusion that's highly, highly required in this situation, maybe to end or to evolve completely. I don't know. This is what you're giving me, and I'm telling you. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.